Okay guys, Thondroder, we had a no start this morning. Yikes. Get up and I got a note. Van won't start, had to take the other car. Sucks. But I fixed it without taking it anywhere. A couple YouTube searches. You've got different sensors that can be detached. The devil's diagnosis, I call it in my mind, was fuel pump. Or something maybe clogged fuel filter, which yikes. So get under there and change the fuel filter if you can't analyze a fuel pump. But when I went to start it, I did hear what I thought was a good fuel pump. It just sputter, didn't start. Then I tried it again, and the auto start took over and kept going. So I stop it. Okay, what you want to do first is check the myriad of sensors. All right, maybe not first, but this is what I did first. So if you pull this off, it's quite easy. Couple simple clips. This is your vanity cover, I guess you'd call it. Pretty cover. All right, check different clips that could have come loose on sensors and whatnot. Take them, maybe blow in there, clip it back on. That one, these types here. Whatever you can reach if you can get it, or you're looking for things that are hanging off. Super hot out. Vibration is always happening. So that was the first thing I checked. Of course, that didn't work. Okay, this first thing you probably should always check is your fuse box. Quite easy. These little clips you push inward, pops the top, comes off. All right, there's your whole list. You want to find like a start relay, run start relay. For me, that has K7. No, that's rear AVET. Starter relays in the K's here. It happens to be this one. So anyway, I thought it was K7. I guess I'm wrong. Rear HVAC relay. But that's right there. You can read it and weep. Anyway, so go in and, the heat and vibration will do this and that to you. So just push on these. Make sure they're all in. When I did it here, I got, click, it went in. Isn't that delightful? And I knew, so I pulled it. It's easy to do with your fingers. And went in and it started. So when I look at this, I see K4, I think it was. Run start. Sorry about that. Took me a second. Amateur. So there he is. K4. Run start just happened to be loose. That is this. Now, why would that pop out? I'm paranoid type person, so sabotage. Van's left open. Some smart ass comes in here and wants to, of course that's... If you're going to sabotage me and you get under my hood, I would think you just kind of knife something. Anywho, push that in, then I pulled it out, looked at it, looked okay, reset it, and the machine started up for me. So there you go, guys. You're going to get a sputtering start, a non-start actually, a sputter. Your auto start takes over and it won't go. For me, having heard this thing started so many times, it didn't sound abnormal, like it was sucking fuel. It just sounded like the fuel pump was engaging. I know that might be pushing it, and there are ways to check that fuel pressure if you're a pretty technical guy. Maybe you can put in a comment an easy way to check that without getting too involved. But the first thing I saw was or heard was check connections to coolant temperature sensor, which I think is down here. And so I undid a couple clips here. Then I was watching another one and there was some clips here. But overall, when I have a problem like that, I just look around, see if something's hanging loose. And there was nothing. But then when we check the fuse box, it solves the problem. Didn't have to get it towed, didn't have to pay $250 for analysis, and it's fixed. So, hey, good day for me. Saved me $200-300. Hope this helps. I'm Droder out.